Hello WordPress people. So in this video we are going to talk about how we can make our custom block searchable by our desired keywords. So for that I have created this custom plugin, and in this custom plugin we have added custom Gutenberg block. So if you don't know how to create custom Gutenberg block, then I would suggest to start watching the playlist from the beginning. The link is into the description section so that you know what I am doing in this video. Otherwise continue watching. So this is the custom plugin, and in the custom plugin I have created a custom block. So let's add a new post, and I will add my custom block inside that post. So my custom block name is BWP search. So if I try to search my block over here, BWP, then I get the result. Then if I try to search using search keyword, then I will get my block using this keyword. But let's say this I want user to get this filter when they type filter. So currently it is not displaying in this result. So how do we do that? So that is what we are going to do in this video. Before jumping into the code, if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would suggest to watch or review this website called thewpvoyage.com. This has very good tips and tricks regarding Gutenberg development and Gutenberg editor. So please go and check out this site. Thank you. So let's open the custom plugin. So this is my local WordPress repo, and this is my custom plugin. So I will open the plugin path in the terminal, and then I will start npm, and then I will open src block.json file. So let's wait for the npm, and then we can use block.json for our custom keywords. So here in the block.json you can add so many things as per your requirement. So I want to add search keywords. So for that we have to use keywords. So I'm gonna copy this keywords here. The npm is start now. So I will add this keyword below the description, and whatever keyword you want to use for your custom block you can add over here. So I'm gonna use filter, and then let's say I want user get this block for this keyword as well, Billy. I'm gonna save this. Okay, everything is fine. Now if I go over here and refresh it, and then we will try to search using filter and Billy. So let's try to search using filter, and now we are getting our block in the result. Let's add Billy. So we are still getting this result inside, and it will search from the block name as well, still BWP search. So yeah, that's it. You just need to define your keywords inside block.json, and don't forget to run npm, and that's it. This is how you can make users to get your plugin block using desired keywords. So this is the video, guys. If you have any doubt, question, please write down below in the comment section. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev.